There is a potential of fire in every home. Part of reducing your risk is being informed on fire safety and how to protect your home and family if a fire happens. October is Fire Safety Awareness Month and an excellent time to review key fire safety tips for around the home.
I've always been the kind of person that's prepared for any situation, but the other day I had a small flare-up in the kitchen and it caused me to really think about fire safety.
Meet Peter Cordani from GelTech Solutions. He's here to visit Catherine to go over fire safety and show her what she can do in case of a fire event.
Come on in. Well, I'm all about safety first, so I'm excited to see what you have planned.
Well, today we're going to go over some fire safety measures, and we're also going to do a hands-on demo.
Great, I'm excited. Let's head into the kitchen.
Okay. Wow, what a beautiful kitchen.
Thank you. This is where I am every night.
So, Catherine, I understand you had a kitchen fire.
Yeah, I had a small flare-up in this pan. I just put the lid on it.
Well, that was a good idea, because what you did, a fire is built by 3 different things: heat, oxygen, and fuel. And what you did, you took the oxygen out and you suffocated it. Great move. And what I'm going to show you today, a tool in case the fire gets too large, a very simple way to control it and put it out.
Okay, great.
Hey, check this out.
Cool. So tell me about this.
That is our 20-ounce FireIce XT aerosol can.
That's really natural, actually.
Yes, it's very simple to use. That's where you hold it. It allows you to give direction and aim it directly at the fire.
Oh. So what makes this so effective?
It's a special eco-friendly gel.
A gel?
Yes. It has the ability to knock down a 5,000-degree fire instantly on contact.
So will this leave any kind of residue?
Absolutely not. It's a water-based product. All you do is get a damp cloth. You could wipe it right up and go right back to work.
Toxic or anything?
No, it will not harm your pets, your children, the environment you're in. It's non-corrosive, and it's very simple to clean up. Like I said before, it's water-based.
So what about when I spray it and the particles as they go through the house? Will it damage my furniture or?
Absolutely not. It leaves no residue or particles or film on anything.
So if I had a fire on this stove, this little can could put it out?
Absolutely. This can has the ability to cover up to 64 square feet.
Wow, you really answered all of my questions. I mean, this seems to have everything I would need.
Well, how about a little demo? We could put a fire out right here in your kitchen right now.
Whoa, okay.
Now, I'm gonna put out a fire first so you know what to expect, and then it's your turn.
According to the National Fire Protection Association, a fire occurs every 88 seconds around the home. In 2017, 72% of all fires happened in the home. Here are 4 fire safety tips for your household. Install smoke alarms on every floor of your house. Check them to be sure they're working. All members of the family should be familiar with an escape plan. Be sure to practice and review your plan at least every 6 months. Do not overload electrical circuits. Limit the use of extension cords and plugs distributed from one wall outlet. Having fire suppression or abatement tools in the home greatly reduces the chance of a fire spreading to other parts of the home. The GelTech FireIce XT is ideal for the home, car, or RV.
So the first thing you do is take the can, you give it a couple of quick shakes like that.
Okay.
Then right here, you pull this little pin out.
Yep.
You're ready to go. Push down on that.
All right.
You'll see.
Wow.
One shot, it's out. Now it's your turn.
It felt empowering. It was amazing being able to put out that fire. I mean, at first I felt nervous. I mean, the flames were pretty big. I did it. And I didn't know how loud that this thing was gonna be, if it was gonna go everywhere, and I was able to aim it right at the fire and it went away, and it was super exciting to know that I can do that.
FireIce XT 20-ounce aerosol is a powerful solution for handling fires around your home, office, garage, RV, outdoor grills, and campfires. To learn more about FireIce for your home and property, visit fireice-xt.com.